Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to get X profile link. So if you also want to get X profile link, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch up an X application. It is also called Twitter. You can see over here X has been opened. Make sure you logged into your account. Now all you have to do is open the profile of the person of whose you want to get the profile link. You can simply tap on the DP of that person from the For You page, or you can also search for that person. Simply tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom. Now tap on the search bar. Now enter the name. Now the profile will appear right over here. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you can see over here their profile will be opened. So if you want to get the profile link, all you have to do is tap on the three dots that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now here you'll be able to see several options: share, turn off reposts, add or remove from lists, etc. All you have to do is tap on the first option, that is share. Now over here you'll be able to see several platforms through which you'll be able to share the profile. You can also see the link over here. You can see the option for copy. All you have to do is tap on it. Now the profile link has been copied. So if you want to share that link, you can simply open any platform of your choice. For example, I'm just going to open WhatsApp. Simply tap on the person to whom you want to share the profile link. Now tap on the message box. Simply paste the link. Now hit the send button. Now if you tap on that link, you can see over here the profile of that person will be opened. So that is how you get X profile link. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.